Arís míle buchas de glóna móna agus na daine a dagraí an ochid seo. Hill mé grú sé aintach. Ag an tús hill mé go méid sé just mis agus Mary a gáil sé agus a lo for an crack a bhí agin agus na cesan na teras a hanig an is, but nuair a hanig an scáfte. Bhí mis miniu goró níos mó scéaltaí sa loch fechanna as a bhí agin. So sin go bhfuil muid soltas to Mary ina duine cean rodiach agus aintach agus a gcónaí nuair a eice Mary bíon córa ainta fiúntach agam leithí. Is cion na daine is mála rá, is dá rá as a ceanta seo. So bhí mé an brodal a bhéir an leithí agus bhfuil mé an soltas an díosbreacht.
The Irish language has been a really good educationalist for a lot of, because you learn at a very early age, you know, that you have to fight for everything. Today was very, very important, I think, and it was a surprise to see there were so many local women here, because the women here, the stories that would have been in the room itself was amazing. But one of the things I forgot to say about Sue, when we were having our meetings, they would have went on for hours, only Sue stopped it. And I used to give her the eye, and I used to go like this, Sue. And she would say, now, and we listen because she had an English accent. But it's been a pleasure knowing Sue all these years.
But imacht rí hálatá bhí an inniu agus sílam go léiríonn an oiread daine agus a tháinig cé có táhatá agus chomhrá sa taithí go gineálta ach go háirithe do ghluaiseacht an phobal tanathis. Sílam fásta agus coppla fáir sa chomhrá go sí táhatá go léiríonn muid an trasnathe sin ní amháin idir na hinscinní ach idir grúpaí eile de héasar bí an neantar leathram agus léicheall orthú sa taithí agus caiimrá gur hasan sé go mórlam na scéaltaí stair le seo chluinstin ó na mrá sppragal le seo bhí sa chomhrá agus ag glóirt Mary agus Sue iad hain.